pasyalan ng lugar ng Bagaw. Umaykan, hankag pauding. Simula ng adventure, halika dito. Tara na sa Bagaw. Banbantay kabakiran ken karayan. Nagmayat nga papanan. Naragsak na tatao, uray na dumuduma. Adda iti panagkaysa.
Mabuhay po.
Mabuhay po. Ako din po si Jeneline Javier po. Ma'am sir, mabuhay po.
Shakwet ma'am sir ni Let Escobar. Bali sakti may sang turgay yun. At Ilocan mo klatan tamok nga mawatan yun ti Ilocan niya. Bali may sa kayo nga gadadal tourism sir ma'am. Amok nga amuyo ni ti protocol ti may sang tour spot. So urami may display namin na amok nga agkakadwa tayo amo tayo nga banag tayo yun. Bali bawal iti importante, bawal kayo unay nga madadayo kanyami kasi napiksa ti danum para safety kanyayo. Basura amok nga nakaisip kayo ta, nakapanunod kayo. Bali awang metid dala tayo arak yung anyaman dapat no talon kayo. Bagay lang dito guide para safety kanyayo. Ang baka man tayo amin nga wala sa nga taga Bagaw, mabuhay po sa inyong lahat.
The Blue Waterfalls and Cave is one of a kind art of nature and truly must-see place when visiting Bagaw. This scenery is typically known for its majesty world-class lagoon and cascading waterfalls caused by its limestone feature. The place offers gushing water from the mouth of the cave rushing towards the pool, which is surrounded by wisps of tropical vines, bouquets of wild orchids and ferns.
Naragsak na tatao, uray na dumuduma. Adda iti panagkaysa.
Exploring further within the cave, and you will find the Olympic-sized pool with stunning and glimmering stalactites. The cave's geographical formation is truly enchanting that offers a tremendously beautiful display of speleothems and speleogems. It has a terrific and fantastic stone arrangement, passage, lagoon for swimming, photography, and cave diving spots.
Akay kaysa nga Bagawanyo, takila ang bayan ko. Halika na dito sa aming bayan ng Bagaw. At pasyalan ng lugar ng Bagaw. Umaykan, hankag pauding.
Welcome to Lipit Canyon. You would surely marvel on the sheer walls of rock on both sides of this canyon. Its cool and clean water flowing on these magnificent natural waterways that sneaks through the forest is a perfect place to relax and reconnect with nature. It is best for free-flowing swimming downstreams, caverns and birds of different kinds, and as you venture on this wonder. Make sure you pack your things watertight and off to Lipit.
Libutin ng magandang bayan.